Hi ladies and gentlemen, here is my 21st video message related to COVID-19. It's April 23rd, 2020, it's 4 p.m. First, the regional situation. Officially, we are still less than 5 cases in the entire MRC Côte-de-Gaspé, but at a total of 149 cases for the entire region, 3 more than yesterday, and which are related to outbreaks already present in the Baie des Chaleurs. As I said yesterday, my message of the day will be about the economy, and I will also try to demystify elements for seasonal businesses and seasonal workers. First, the Minister of Economy, Pierre Fitzgibbon, announced some time ago the injection of funds into the MRCs to support small and medium-sized enterprises in order to get through the COVID crisis. The administrative procedures are completed and the money arrived yesterday. We are talking about a total of $560,000 for the MRC Côte-de-Gaspé. The new program aims to offer loans to cash-in-need companies. Loans are up to $50,000 at only 3% interest rate, and can benefit from a repayment moratorium of up to 12 months. So moratorium to 12 months. For companies that needs more than $50,000, they must go to the Ministry of Economy with the PACT program, P-A-C-T-E program. In order to benefit, the company had to be viable before the crisis. It must be in difficulty because of the crisis, and it must have a prospect of survival after the crisis. So details are on the Côte-de-Gaspé.ca website in the COVID-19 tab. The MRC team is always on hand to assist you at 418-368-7000. This loan program is in addition to the very successful emergency grant program that we created by ourselves. More than 80 companies were helped with this program. The Council of Mayors of the MRC have even increased the envelope from $150,000 to $215,000 to meet as much as possible of the needs. We've been proactive, and we hope that companies will get through the storm without too much damage. Now, I will try to demystify the issue of seasonal workers. As you know, many summer seasonal workers may not have a job this summer. The tourism industry will be very slow. There are ups and downs in the fisheries and even the forestry. It will be difficult because the construction industry is also slowing down actually. We know that we have people who are about to see their EI benefits end very soon. If they do not have their jobs this spring or this summer, yes, they will be eligible for the federal CERB. But the CERB lasts only 4 months. What will happen in the fall or in the winter for these workers? So, I have a preoccupation about that, and I asked Minister Leboutillier about that. She told me that the government is working on it, but the CERB does not entitle the worker to insurable hours. In other words, if a seasonal worker does not have a job this summer or in the fall, and if he falls on the CERB after his EI payments, he would have the CERB 4 months, and then he would have nothing after that. The same problem for those who do not work enough hours in the summer. I am very concerned about this because several hundred workers will be in the situation in Gaspé and in the Gaspésie. And I also got answers from Quebec Ministry of Labor, so here. Yes, we can wait for the federal response, but already there are 2 solutions at the moment. First solution. Employers have access to a training program that can be paid at 100% by Quebec. The PACME, P-A-C-M-E, pays 100% of expenses up to $100,000. Employees in training work or obtain insurable hours for unemployment insurance purposes. You will probably have to be imaginative in inventing workplace training, but if that's what it takes for seasonal workers to have EI this fall or next winter, I encourage you to do so. The second situation, employers have access to the federal emergency wage subsidy. This represents 75% of the company's payroll. It would be interesting if, to the extent that businesses have work to offer, seasonal employers would apply for it so that they can offer work to their employees, so that they can qualify for EI for the fall and the winter. So my big fear is that if we do nothing now, we will arrive in the fall and our people no longer have access to the CERB or to the EI, and that we confine them to social assistance for the fall and the winter. The impact would be terrible on these workers, but also on the local economy. So I do not want to sound alarmist, but that is the current situation. So I would like you start planning the solution right away with the tools at your disposal. So I hope this is useful information. Finally, I reiterate again my call for caution and respect for the public health guidelines. Hand washing, no hands in the face, distance of 2 meters with others, maximum containment, attention to our elders, please, etc. Also, please prioritize our local buying. And this is the way to save the lives of our businesses in these difficult times. Once again, a big thank you to our volunteers and to the essential service workers. Thank you again for following the instructions. It's important. Every action counts. It's going to be fine.